It's a sweet place. If only me and you are, we could love each other. If only we could love each other. This world, we contain all of us. If only we could love each other. Oh, love each other. Oh. We gonna love each other. It change gamo, man change man. Oh, it change gamo, it change gamo, man change man. I'm now a better person. You have changed.
This number I've been calling you, but you have refused to pick it. Is it because I'm with you?
Frank, are we living each other's life now? What do we call that?
We have been watching each other's back. We have been sharing one another's day-to-day life. Why are you not acting as if you're hiding something from me?
Frank, I understand that we're brothers, yeah? I understand that we're friends. I understand that we've been supporting each other. But I feel like we also need to know our boundaries. We need to have some respect for each other.
Tochi, the last time I checked, we practically talked about everything. We talk about your girlfriends. We talk about your family. We talk about businesses. We have been sharing each other's problem without any fear. So how come you are now acting as if you no longer trust me? What is going on? What have killed your trust for me?
Frank, there's something I need to tell you. But you have to promise me you're not going to mention it to anyone else.
You have told me so many things. And we always seal it between us. So what is it?
Rika is not what she claims to be. There's a lot you need to know about her.
What?
My daughter, you are not being fair to yourself.
Mama, I have not heard from him since today. And he's not even picking my calls.
You are not going about this the right way. Yes, you should focus more on improving yourself with this little opportunity you have now than bothering him with too many calls.
Who said I'm bothering him?
I did. I say so, my daughter. He might not tell you, but I am. I will tell you. I am your mother and I cannot deceive you. You know that he will always call back when he is in a better place to do so. So, my daughter, I advise you to give him breathing space for now.
Mama, giving him breathing space automatically creates space for another woman to take him from me. And that is what I do not want.
No, it cannot be like that. He will not do that if he truly loves you. Look, my daughter, let me tell you. See, you have to put yourself in the position where he will see the value in you. Focus more on your improvement to yourself so that when he look back, he will find out that you have been improved. You have gone far doing yourself well. Instead of always trying to get his attention, he should be the one trying to get your attention because you have added so much value on your life. Please, I beg you in the name of God, I want you to be a respected, a responsible woman. Don't hurt yourself because of a man. This is my little advice for you, my daughter. Please.
This is unlike Dochi. By now he ought to have called me back. He's not even answering my call. What exactly is going on? What is happening? Which I hope you are fine wherever you are. I hope you are safe. I don't know what you are doing there that you are, but I know you must pick my call today. I will call you till your battery runs down. You have to pick my call. I'm giving you no less than 10 missed calls. Are you trying to tell me that you're not seeing my calls where you are? You just have to pick my call.
What are you talking about? You are the marketing manager and it is your responsibility to make sure that my products is sold to everyone in this country. I don't like that. As a marketing manager, you must be up and doing.
Good day, sir.
I'll call you back. Dinaka, you're not looking good. What's the problem?
Uncle, I overheard you saying that you want to travel.
Yes, I want to travel to Japan. But I won't be long. Is there any problem?
I would love to travel back to the village. Maybe return when you are back.
Why do you want to travel to the village?
Auntie don't like me. She may start treating me bad when you're not around.
What's the meaning of that? Where did you get that from?
She hates me so much. Every time she tries to say things that...
Hey, she's my wife. And she cannot go contrary to my wish. And stop this idea of saying you're going to the village. There's no future out there. I want you to overlook every distraction that wants to stop you from achieving your dream. Be a good boy. Obey everyone that you need to obey. That your dream will come to manifestation.
That's true, sir. I'll try my best.
Better.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Julius, I have this urgent need to be in Japan. Yes.
Yes, that's right. You mean we'll be traveling to Japan next?
Mm-hmm.
Well, who are you leaving the management of your company for?
Sherika, of course. I'm impressed of her improvement of late.
Wow. Is she that sharp enough to cover your space when you are not in town?
Yes, of course. She's head of my department in 3 of my companies now.
Really?
And she has raised a team that, have not recorded any loss in the last 1 year.
Wow.
So I think she can.
That's beautiful.
Yes.
That boy needs to be thanked.
You mean Tochi?
Yes, of course. I don't know how he did it, But he really helped you to recover that girl. I remember when she was giving you sleepless nights.
Yes. Well, I have made him a millionaire. And that is the least I'm going to do for him. On their wedding, I'm going to do for him what he will not forget in a very long time.
That's good. That's good.
And I really want to make him to be established. And when he's established, that means he'll take care of my daughter.
Wow. Wow. To that extent.
Yes.
But Chief Ebe, I suggest you have to monitor that boy very closely to find out his true intentions.
My friend Julius, that I have done a long time. I have monitored him and have concluded on his genuineness. Yes, and so that's why I want to set him up so he can take care of my daughter.
You really have good intention for him.
Of course you know that.
I hope it will not change.
We actually don't hope so.
Yeah.
I don't think he will.
Thank you very much.
Come on.
Thank you very much.
You. No.
Dad.
What is it?
I need to remind you this. Do not forget to promise that I will go and join my brothers in London as soon as you get back.
Annabelle, I cannot forget anything like that.
Okay.
Come on, just take care of your mother for me, that's all.
See why I love
Nobody should take care of me.
Mom, I will take care of you.
take care of myself.
I already told Cherika all that she needs to do until I return.
Okay. All I want you to do is to come back very, very soon.
It's just 2 months.
Okay.
2 months.
2 months is just.
No, I only just removed. Okay, I removed it just from the 2 months, so it will be 2 months.
Yes.
It's no longer just.
Do you think 2 months is 2 days?
Well, not really, anyway.
But 2 months is not 2 days. I think 2 months is not far, Mom. Be careful.
Okay, I know my little Mimi will be asking about me when she returns from school. Just tell her I'll get her goodies.
Okay,
beautiful
Dad.
things. I know.
Mom.
I'll buy you goodies when I return, okay?
Thank you, sir.
Let's take good care of him, all right?
I will. Dad, you do not have to worry. I will personally take care of Odinaka. He is also my brother. I mean, I am going to feed him so well that by the time you get back, he is looking so fat and robust. You might not even recognize him.
You can say that again.
Dad, I will sure do that.
Odinaka, eat as much as you can bite.
Yes, sir.
That's the only way I can believe you.
Yes, Dad.
Don't worry.
Frank. Did you take the money? Money? Yeah, the money on the table, did you take it? What kind of question is that?
Did you see me move from here to that place and take money?
Okay, so I left or I kept money on this table. Did you see it?
I don't understand you, Tochi. How can I move from here to that place without you seeing me? Are you now calling me a ghost?
Frank, did you see the money?
I didn't see any money now. Which one do I see any money? Did they bring all these ones now?
Okay, Frank, what you're saying does not make sense. I left some money here. It was right in front of me.
Okay.
Literally 2 minutes ago.
Tochi, to be honest with you, you are becoming something else.
What?
I'm telling you.
So, what you just said now, does it make sense to you?
No, it doesn't make sense because
So who is in this house?
What you're saying is not making sense to me. How can I possibly sit here and move from here to that place and take money without seeing
Did you see the money?
I didn't see any money.
No, did you see the money on the table?
I saw you that you kept money there when you're writing something.
So where is it now?
The question, did you see me move from here to that table?
So where is the money now? Where is the money?
Well, you can check there and I check very well now.
Where is the money? There's no money here.
See, Tochi, you are losing it.
I'm losing it.
To be honest with you, you are losing it. This is not you.
Frank.
I know you very well.
Frank, my question to you is, when did you take this money?
Hey.
Are you that fast?
Tochi, this is what I will not take from you. You are insulting me.
No, but seriously, are you that fast?
No, you are indirectly calling me a thief.
Is your hand that long?
So I can stretch my hand from here to that place and take money without you seeing me. What are you trying to say now?
So where is the money?
Tochi, search your pocket.
There's no money in my
pocket.
pocket.
No, check yourself now.
There's no money in my pocket. Who's in this house apart from both of us?
You should know better. Tochi, you should know better. See, I don't like this you are doing.
Give me my money.
I don't like this you are doing.
Give me my money.
See, let me tell you.
If you want money, ask me and I'll give you. Why should you steal my money?
What kind of nonsense is this? Since when now? No, when did I turn to a thief? No, when do I start stealing?
I didn't call you a thief. I said just give me my
money. That's
what
you are calling me now, that I take your money. And I'm telling you I didn't take any money.
Did you see the money?
Tochi, I didn't see any money. See, this is not the issue now.
2 minutes ago you said you saw the money.
Tochi,
now you didn't see the money.
You need to go inside.
Give me my money.
Ready. Let me take you to the hospital. Because you are losing it.
Take me to the hospital.
You are losing it. You are not normal.
Frank, you want to take me to the hospital?
Of course.
You're indirectly calling me a madman.
You are indirectly calling me a thief. How can you accuse me of stealing your money?
So, did you see money on this table?
I saw you kept money there when you are writing something. Then I asked me about the money. Did you see me move from here to that place? No, tell me, did you see me?
Frank, wow.
Frank, I didn't even know you were still in town.
Yeah, I've been around. But it surprises me I've not been seeing you all this while.
Well, Tucci has to invite me to come around. He has been mute and I don't know.
Reka, open up to me. What is actually the problem? Tochi is not talking to me about it either.
Honestly, Frank, it's confusing. Tochi just suddenly started acting cold towards me. I don't know what I did wrong. You know, maybe he's going through emotional trauma due to the loss of my late sister. They were pretty close when she was alive.
Yeah. I guess so. He's really going through a lot. And that is the more reason you should be close to him now.
I'm trying. I don't know what else to do. Do you think Tucci is seeing another woman? I mean, is he being faithful to me?
The truth is that you're a woman. You should know when a man that loves and cherishes you so much is cheating on you.
He has not given me any reason to think otherwise. Just his attitude.
Reka, like I said before, that is the more reason why you should be very close to him now. Don't you need him now more than ever? Okay? Everything will be fine. Just take it easy on yourself.
Is it that he's no longer interested in the relationship? Does he no longer find me attractive? Tochi, I told you. I told you that I am not ready for this. But you insisted and pushed me into it. Now you have changed. Why are men like this? Tochi.
Yeah.
You are now a big boy. You have totally changed. I don't think we are on the same level now. I know I will be nothing to you because you have upgraded.
You don't have to say that. I mean, whatever belongs to me also belongs to you. Right? What's mine is yours.
That was then. Oh. I'm not sure of it now. Eh? Are you telling me that those city girls will leave you for me? How is that even possible? I know that the kind of girls you mingle with now will be very classy. Girls that knows what's up. Yeah, you're telling me this one. The truth is that I don't have strength to compete with anybody. Oh.
I won't let that happen. You were there for me when I had nothing. So trust me when I say that you're not in competition with anybody. Alright?
You know, Tochi, truth is that I have never loved anyone the way I love you. I love you so much. But at this point, my mental health is at stake, and I don't want anything that will give me sleepless nights. I'm not ready for it.
Give me your hand. Let this serve as an assurance that we're going to be together forever.
I don't understand.
Mama,
No.
your daughter and I, we have agreed, we have decided to be together.
Be together.
Yes, we have decided to marry each other.
You know, is it true?
Yes.
My son, I am happy to hear this. I am very, very happy. But what I want to hear is the date. The date you will come with your people for a proper introduction. Could be man.
Mama, you're right. But I have a business trip to make. Yes, I'll be away for 1 month and 3 weeks. Once I come back, I'll come with my people and do the marriage rites, I promise.
You have known each other for a very long time now. So I am very happy you're making this decision now. Oh?
Thank you very much.
I'm happy for you.
Yes.
You're not saying anything.
Mama, you know I love Tochi so much. But like you said, he should take a step further.
Yes.
Right. Mama, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I really appreciate your kind words.
I knew it. I knew that everything he said to me were all lies. This is not the kind of relationship I need in my life. Tochi, why are you doing this to me? Why are you putting me through this kind of pain? Why are you breaking my heart? I'll call you for the last time. Please pick my call. Pick my call, say something, even if you are no longer interested in this relationship. Just pick it and tell me so that I will at least know my stand. You cannot just leave me in the dark. You can't be doing this. You can't be doing this. It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. This was not what you promised me.
Please don't kill me. Please don't kill me. Don't kill me. Don't kill me, please. Please don't kill me. Please. I cared about you. I cared about you.
I took care of you better than your sister did. Please, please. I didn't kill you. Why are you tormenting my life? Please, please.
Why do you hate my sister?
No, I don't hate your sister. I love her. She's my fiancée. You know that. You know that. Please, please, listen, please. I love your sister so much. She's my fiancée.
That's a lie.
No, I'm not telling lies. So I'm saying the truth. Listen, and you know how much I cared about you before your demise. Please, I didn't kill you. I don't know what happened to you.
If you lied to me, I will.
No, please don't kill me. Don't kill me. Please don't kill me.
Thank God safe going. My oga dey inside, they scream like somebody wey dey under attack.
Why did you go inside and find out what is it?
Ha! When they talk like this now, you want me to go carry my hand and put for waiting I don't know.
You must be very stupid.
Thank you, sir.
Please, I loved you. I love your sister so much.
I thought you were a nice man and you loved my sister. Why?
Tochi, what is the matter? What is going on? Where?
She's here.
Amanda. Where is she?
You can't see anyone.
I can't see anybody.
She's right in front of you. Please. Listen, I swear. I loved you like I didn't kill you. I love your sister. She's my. I don't know why you died. I don't know why you.
This is really becoming something else. Are you sure Tochi is normal? Tochi! What is going on? Huh? Talk to me! Huh?
Did you not see the girl there? Did you not see Amanda there?
I told you I didn't see anything. I didn't see anything. What is going on?
Since the little girl died, I haven't been myself.
Wait. You mean to tell me you have been communicating with her ghost?
Yes, I have.
This is serious. See, you have to do something about this. You need to do something about it very fast. See, I think you should go and see a doctor.
No, Oga. This thing, doctor, nothing concern doctor for this thing like this. He need to see a big native doctor, like a good one, who go help us.
You shut up. You shut up. Shut up and go back to your duty post. No, who call you? See, Tochi, like I was saying, you need to go and see doctor. Where do you malaria to do? Eh? Where are you going? Go now. Just like this. Tochi! Tochi!
My baby. Always rugged.
What happens to my sister, Wahab?
She say you did very selfish. You know, the sister you did selfish.
I asked you a question. Reply me with an answer.
So because say you lose one person and I make you the parabi, you get the girls come they ask me where be Wahab, what happened to your sister. But you don't forget say I lose many people. Abi, you don't forget.
Wahab, you talk as if I took their lives with my
We are supposed to be friends. My baby. We are supposed to stand for each other, my baby. You supposed to bring down your father connection. All those people when you talk to your father again, you're supposed to bring them, come bail us, come up for that place, but you leave us make we buy.
Wahab, I told you guys I was done. Alright?
My baby. My baby, my baby. We be friends. We are supposed to stand for each other. Eh? We don't take blood oath together. We don't eat together. So what are you yarn with your mouth?
Wahab, is that why you killed my sister?
See, I saw you say the poor girl died. That beautiful Smolly die. But nevertheless, me and you, we did this place together. We did this game together. You know, go feed the part.
Wahab, I don't remember promising to spend the rest of my life with you at any point in time. Yes, we had our own time. We had fun. When I was done, I told you guys I was done.
Man, you dey cut crap. You dey talk rubbish. You dey very, very, very heartless. So you leave us for that place, make we buy. Abi? You don't tell me say your father get many connection, but you leave us for that place, make we buy. You don't say you dey heartless.
Wahab, you're pulling me. You're really pulling me hard. You know me. If you succeed in pulling me out of my shell, I'll fuck you up. You regret the day you ever cross paths with this bitch.
My baby, don't they threaten me. If I see that life now, if you talk this night, you go dey vex me. But like this way you see me so. This man way they see here don't die. Eh? You dey ginger me now, make I dey fear you, Abi? Nah lie now. Your brother say you dey talk, your brother say you give me a camel, make I drink. Wey soft. If you give me up now, we know say this girl don't gallant. Eh? You no get one thing for this life go make me and you separate. I won't make you carry that one for your mind. If you like the yana, but that one no concern me. But get that one for the back of your mind. And as I tell you, that's what it be. Me and you don't get anything. Make I come up for this cafe.
My daughter, I have told you to forget about this boy, but you refused.
Mama, how do you expect me to forget a man that I am engaged to? This man in question I've never had issues with. We've never fought. Nothing at all. Do you expect me to forget him like that?
See, no matter what you feel for him, no matter what you share with him, I am sure he's not worth dying for. You don't have to end or kill yourself because a certain man stopped picking your call or talk to you. My daughter, I have told you, there are too many good men in the world. There are people that they are good, that will come into your life, they make you happy, they make you feel like a woman. They will not trouble you the way he is. Maybe he has gotten another woman to himself.
Why are you hell-bent on making me feel pain? I told you I am not ready for this. Why are you doing this to me?
You need to calm down.
No, don't tell me to calm down. I need you to give me the reason for not taking my calls and for not calling back.
I've been going through a lot. And taking your calls would probably make things worse. Please.
Really?
Yes.
So the problem you have, you were told by whoever it is that told you have problems, that ignoring me will solve the problems. Am I right?
I didn't say that, but listen, I'm going through a spiritual problem right now. And if you look at me closely, you can tell that there's something wrong with me. There's something wrong with me. I'm not myself.
What exactly is going on? What is wrong with you?
Sorry, I have to go. I'll call you back.
I don't understand what is going on.
Come back here. What is it?
What is going on? You are yet to explain yourself to me. You've not even told me what the problem is. Come, you. What exactly is going on? I don't understand. What is it? You are yet to explain yourself to me. You've not even told me why you've been ignoring my calls.
What is it?
I don't know. I don't know why he's acting this funny. I don't know what exactly is going on.
My daughter.
Take him away. Take him away. Take him away. Officer.
Open that gate.
Wicked soul. You will remain there until you confess. Idiot. Will you get her from there? Get inside!
Wahab is just trying to wake up the deadly being in me. I just hope someone reminds him that I am still crazy and I have what it takes to send him back to jail. Ma. What is it?
I beg, if you help me tell Madam to release all day. I beg.
I don't understand. Release Odinaka. How? What did Odinaka do?
But Madam carry some vigilante, can't carry him.
What? You mean vigilante people came here and took him away? Why would my mother do that? Mom? Mom, why? Why did you send that boy to the vigilante? Do you want to kill him? Eh?
This is time to know the truth. I just want to clear my doubts, that's all.
What truth are you talking about? That poor boy is innocent and you know it! Well, if you want to clear the truth or do this, then you do it legally. Do it the right way.
See, the issue here is that my daughter was killed. And I want to fish out the killer and deal with him.
Well, period. Report it to the police. Go to court. Let them do investigation. Don't take laws into your hand. It is wrong.
See, the police will not do the job the way I want it. They will not torture him the way I would want them to torture him. The vigilante, are they not legal? They are legal. Mom. Those boys are well trained for this kind of matters.
Mom, that boy must be released today. You have to release him today. You're not thinking of what the consequences of what you're doing.
My dear, just relax. Because no amount of pressure will make me change my mind this time.
Mom, just reason with me, okay? Look, this is somebody's life we're talking.
I'm looking for your small Madam Rika.
She knows say you dey come.
No, there's something very important I need to discuss with her.
Okay, that means wait, my log gate, man.
What is the problem? Did something happen to him?
I don't know, he just left. But to be honest with you, he's not looking well. Ever since I came to that house, his attitude have changed. I think he needs help.
Maybe I misunderstood him. Maybe I should have listened to him, giving him a chance to open up.
Rika, I think this is the best time to be close to him. He really needs help.
But he's not saying anything. He's not talking to me. How do I help him?
I was thinking he came here.
Hold on, let me see if I can get him on the phone. It's ringing. He's not picking up. What kind of problem is this? He didn't tell you where he was going to.
He didn't tell me. He only entered his car and drove off.
God. What kind of problem is this? What's going on with Tochi? What is going on? He's not speaking to me. How are we going to help him?
I don't know. See, I think I should go back home and wait for him. He really needs someone around him now.
Okay. Please just let me know as soon as you hear from him, okay? And I will call you if I hear from him.
No problem.
I think something is wrong with that young man. Okay. Could be right anyway.
Mama, Biko, stop mentioning the name of that wicked man.
You know, I dislike him. I hate him because of the way he treated Tochi. But the things he said about Tochi is playing out now. It's finally playing out. Yes.
Playing out what? Mama, what are you saying? We all know how that man is good at talking rubbish every time. You're taking his word serious? Mama Biko.
My daughter, the last time I saw him, the things he said about Tochi sounded like rubbish. He said that Tochi is a ritualist. As you can see it today, he acted strange. He acted like someone that's been pursued by the spirit or some kind ghost.
Honestly, Mama, I don't know what is going on. The sudden wealth of Tochi. Yes, I am as surprised as you are. Because that boy literally became wealthy overnight. Now, didn't call that boy patakita.
Then Okeke could be right. My daughter, at this moment, please, I want you to be very, very careful. Be careful of that young man. I know you love him so much. We have to tread with caution. Yes, the Tochi we know is no longer the Tochi we know now. Obviously, you can see it. Please, my daughter, please. You are the only one I have. Biko Nwam.
Mama, even if Tochi doesn't marry me tomorrow, my only prayer for him is to succeed and live a good life. That boy has really been through hell. He has suffered.
You know I wish him to.
Tochi, wake up and eat your food.
I'm not hungry. Take it away.
You have to eat. Yeah? I bought drugs for you too, and you know you cannot take these drugs on an empty stomach.
Thank you. Thank you.
Please eat. What? Your body is so hot. You mean your uncle saw you in this condition and still insisted you follow him to the farm? What kind of a human is he?
He doesn't care about me.
It's well. It's well. See, you just have to eat and take your drugs. I believe that all this will be over soon. Oh, just eat. You go.
Then wake him. Did I not tell you not allow me get to the farm before you?
But uncle, I told you I'm not feeling well and I can't walk today.
You're not feeling well, you can't work today. If you continue with all these your excuses and allow me to finish that work in that farm without you stepping your legs there, I advise you, before I come back, pack your things together and leave my house.
What kind of human are you? Where is your conscience? Why are you being so wicked and heartless? Are you a devil incarnate? Can you not see that this young man seated here is very ill? No, feel his body. His temperature is high, but no, you don't care about his condition. The only thing you want from him is for him to go to the farm and work for you like a slave.
I said, shut up your mouth. Who do you think you are talking to? Eh? How dare you come to my house to come and give me instructions? In fact, I don't even have anything to tell you. As for you, Tochi, if you won't give one.
Uncle, please just forgive her. She won't do it.
No, don't even beg him.
Answer me when the time comes.
Don't beg this man. Let me insult him. Look at this thing. Who do you think you are? Every time, house. Where is the house? What kind of nonsense is this? You keep treating this boy like a slave. Rubbish. What's this nonsense? Tochi, honestly, I don't like the way you are handling this issue. You need to talk to this man. Some issues, some battles, you don't just relax and allow anybody treat you anyhow. You have to fight like a man. What is this?
You have to stop talking to him before you get me into more trouble.
I'm sorry. I shouted. It's okay. Just eat your food and take the drugs, please.
Where is the drug?
You cannot take the drugs
Give
on
me
an
the
empty
drug.
stomach. My love. What is this again?
My uncle locked me out last night. I slept under a tree.
What? I don't understand what you just said. How can that man lock a grown-up like you outside? He's doing too much now. It is becoming too much. Like, I am fed up with his wicked actions. What breaks my heart is that you have no other option, no place for you to stay. If not, I would have advised you leave that house of his for him. What is this?
I have decided to make a move. If I perish, I perish.
God forbid. You will not perish. My love, what are you saying? Please don't say that again. Please.
Ginika, there's no future for me in this village. I want to go to the city. But then, I don't know anyone in the city. I don't.
You have to make that bold step. I will keep praying for you. Yes, it may seem impossible. It may seem very hard to achieve, but you will definitely achieve all the good things you need to be okay in life.
Ginika, you have been supporting me all this while. You're going to get tired someday.
Why should I ever get tired of you? Listen, my love. I will be with you and stick with you from now till eternity. All I need from you is to keep your faith high and never give up. I will protect you, guide you, and love you always. I have seen him go through a lot of heavy hurdles. I have seen him live through the skin of his teeth. I have seen him shed tears, sweat, and I've once seen him bleed. Even if Tochi does not marry me tomorrow, he deserves better than he has now. I wish him the best in life, and I pray that nothing or no one will cut off his joy.
Amen. Amen.
Mama, I will be your mouth and say something. Sure you poison that killer, Abi? Now you kill him, Abi? You no kill him. You no kill him. Say no bit.
Blood of Jesus! 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 Blood of Jesus!
What is it?
I saw Naka in my dream and I think he's not feeling fine.
I said it. I said it, but you wouldn't listen. Gladys, pray nothing happens to my son. If you don't want the villagers to hear about us.
Nah, you should have at least asked what the dream is all about.
The truth is that she's been haunted. She's been haunted because that ritualist has been giving you blood money, which you have been using to take care of my children. Is it not better for me and my children to live here in penury than donate my children as lambs to a ritualist?
Yes, what is it? What is the problem?
I saw some people tied Odnaka to a chair and they beat him up mercilessly.
What's what happened to my son? Hey, you are covered in the blood of Jesus.
Wahab, I'm Amanda, Rika's late sister. My sister is now planning to return to her old self. That will be very dangerous to you and to other people around her. Please, go and tell her the truth. Not just for you. Other innocent people might be affected.
Rika, I thought you said you were disconnected with the guy. What were you doing out there with him?
I just saw him outside.
So you brought him to my house?
No! It is Wahab we're talking about. He's very dangerous. It's possible he traced me down here.
Does that mean my house is no longer safe for me?
Babe, calm down. Why are you sounding this way? You promised to stand by me through this whole ordeal. Are you changing your mind now?
Rika, I can only try. Do you understand me? I can only try. Changing is entirely your business. You need to stay away from bad people.
I am a changed person. I don't hang around bad people. In fact, most of those guys are dead. Some are in prison. Wahab is the only one that is free. I don't know how he found this place, but please, I promise you I am a changed person. I just need little time to sort this out. That is all.
Rika.
Yes, baby.
Listen to me and listen good. Whether or not you change is entirely your business.
Babe.